Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The World of Literature. This is the second video in the series of Diaspora Study, and the topic of study today is Approaches to Study Indian Diaspora. Indian diaspora refers to the global community of people of Indian origin who have migrated from India and settled in other countries of the world. The Indian diaspora is estimated to be around 30 million people, with the largest population of Indians settled in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and the Middle East. The study of Indian diaspora is a multidisciplinary field that encompasses a range of approaches and perspectives. Scholars from various disciplines, including history, sociology, literature, economics, etc., have developed different approaches to understand the complex experience of Indian diaspora. Different approaches to study diaspora. Number 1. Historical approach. This approach involves examining the historical context of Indian migration and settlement in different parts of the world. Historians use a range of sources to reconstruct the experiences of Indian migrants. Number 2. Sociological approach. This approach examines the social structures, institutions, and relationships that shape the experiences of Indian migrants. Sociologists analyze the social dynamics, family structures, etc., to identify issues like identity, belonging, and social inequality.
Number 3.
Economic approach. This approach examines the economic contributions, challenges, and opportunities faced by Indian migrants. Economic investigate the ways in which Indian migrants contribute to the economic development of their host countries. Number 4. Anthropological approach. This approach examines the cultural practices, traditions, and identities of Indian communities in different parts of the world. Anthropologist provides a contextual understanding of Indian diaspora, its complex nature and cultural identity in the modern world. Number 5. Literary approach. This approach study the literary work of cultural production of Indian diasporic writers and artists. This approach examines the way in which Indian diasporic literature reflects and shapes the experiences of Indian migrants, their struggles with identity, culture, and belonging. Through the study of novels, poetry, short stories, and other form of creative writings, literary critics can gain insight into the complex emotions, memories, and desires that shapes the Indian diasporic experiences. By analyzing the different dimensions, perspectives, and approaches of Indian diaspora, researchers can gain deeper understanding of the complex relationship between migration and development of historical, social, and economical nature of diasporic communities. This is the picture of my book, Diaspora in Fiction, Many Hues, Many Shades. It is available at Flipkart and Amazon. The book is an anthology of scholarly papers which will help you in your research. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.